Greetings, punks, goths, metalheads, herberts, herbetters, Martians and subterranean folks. My name's John and this is the Health Anarchist channel. Now I just wanted to show you guys this cool steampunk coat that I've DIY'd. Now I've been wanting to get one of these coats for absolutely years, but I could never get one in my size before now. So I've been looking for years and eventually I found one in my size. Now the coat, it's actually a Bulgarian army greatcoat, and I've just DIY'd it a bit, and it's a really easy DIY to do. If you can get hold of an army greatcoat, or if you like this style, a Bulgarian army greatcoat, it cost me £42. Now just search Bulgarian army greatcoat if you're after one of these. Now it's a vintage jacket, it's actually really old. I looked at the date in it and it's 1966. So I didn't want to do any destructive DIY customization to this, with it being such a vintage item. So everything I've done to it is reversible. Now the easiest one that I did was these little skull pins. I already had these skull badges in, so they were easy to do. Just put them on, and I got these patches online. So number 13 on the sleeve, and the skull and crossbone on that side. So my idea was for it to be a steampunk fantasy regiment coat, and I guess it's like a nuclear wastelands ranger coat is how I envisioned it. Yeah, it's a really easy one to do. So any of you looking for a fairly cheapish, easy DIY project for a steampunk coat, then you know, look no further. You can do something like this really easy, and what I find is army surplus stuff is absolutely fantastic for customizing, especially into steampunk or gothic type stuff, or even some punk stuff. So yeah, wanted to share that with you guys. So I do enjoy doing my DIY clothes stuff. I've always done it since I was a teenager. Being alternative, you end up DIYing a lot of your clothes. At the least, it's like sewing on patches on jackets or putting on studs and stuff like that. But as I've got a bit older, I get a bit more adventurous, I've found, and clothes are really important to express yourself, and especially express your creative self. I mean, no one wants to be walking around in boring potato sacks now, do they? And I also wanted to give a big thank you to all my recent subscribers. I've actually got something special coming up. I'm not too far off 600 subs, so when I get to 600 I'm going to do a giveaway competition with some really cool items. Now I'll show you those in a minute, what I'm going to be giving away. When the competition comes up in the near future, you just need to be subscribed to my channel so I can check you're subscribed, and you need to answer the question which I'll give you. So the sooner I get to 600 subs the better, and I can run this competition. So when I get up to 600 subs, I'm going to do a giveaway. Both of these are going to be up for grabs. You've got the cool mushroom pendant and you've got the cool bat pendant. They're both crystal quartz, and I made them myself, so they're very unique, but those are both going to be going up for grabs. So just a bit of a short video today. I wanted to show off this steampunk jacket that I've DIY'd, and hope I can inspire some of you guys out there to do similar. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe, and until the next video, keep yourself very safe. Take care now. Bye.
A few moments later.
Right, I almost forgot to show you the belt which goes with this. I got this military white belt and I've customised it with some chains and attachments, and this goes well when the coat's closed, and I thought it sets it off really well. Now the only thing about this coat is it's warm, it's very warm. I'm actually sweating wearing it now in the house, but for winter, which is when I got it for really, it's going to be ideal and really warm. So anyway, I'll catch you later.